Round one.
Yeah.
Skinnies.
We may be here for a while.
What? Miles? Yeah.
You got it, man. Yeah, that's it. Keep going. Don't slow down. Oh, shit.
He bailed. That's why it's there. You're gonna do it again?
Of course.
Hey, let me have a seat now. Good. I was.
Wait. Okay, I'm not gonna record you then.
I got him. That's it?
No way, man.
Dang.
He's up to the log. Ah! Okay. Oh shit. No more fall.
That's falling with style.
Alright. I'm done. Yeah, you did good though.
It was funny, like he wanted to do a tuck and roll, it's like just float it down. Man, if it was me, man, I'm falling.